A gallery module can consist of a combination of images and documents. To learn how to upload or edit these, watch our tutorials on either images or documents. Okay, so let's add some more files to an already existing module. Click on the pencil-shaped Edit button to the right of your image or document. Now click the blue Add More Files button in the middle of the file. Select Upload File. Now either click Choose File to browse your computer, or drag and drop the file you wish to upload. Then click Upload at the bottom of the window. Now we have a two-file gallery. We can toggle through each file by clicking the arrows on either side of the module. Playing and pausing the gallery is an option to the right for us and for other users. Viewers can also click the Grid View button on the right to view all files at once. As the editor, we can replace or delete specific files in this view by selecting the button at the center of the file in question. Let's go back by clicking the Grid View icon again. Now let's adjust some style settings. Click the gear icon to the right of the module. The window to the left has an option that shows gallery settings. Here we can choose unique layouts for our files. We can control the playback speed of the gallery and enable or disable the play pause, grid view, or full screen mode buttons for other users.